welcome back to another video. I don't know if any of you remember these from one of my nail art hauls. I originally ordered these off AliExpress months and months ago and they never turned up. So I ended up getting them recently from the Venalisa website. And they are glaze gels, so they're like jelly gels. I've not opened them yet. Let me get them out of the box. Right, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8, there's 12. They're all numbered L21 up to L32. Look at all them colours, loads of colours. So they're the jelly gels, and it comes with this, can't read it, metallic silver base as well. So I've got some swatch sticks out. I'm going to swatch them all on their own, just to see what they'll look like as a jelly gel. And then I'm going to swatch them all again with the silver as the base. So, I think I'll open all these off camera and then we'll get swatching. Oh my god, I totally forgot to press record, guys. L21, L22 and L23 I've already done, and that's them just one coat. So I'll do another 3 with you. I'll do another 3 and we'll have a look at them. Right, so we'll do L24. I really like them. I really like them. I think I am going to give them 2 coats. They are jelly gels. They are supposed to be transparent. But I do think I want to give them 2 coats. Just so they're a little bit more, not opaque, but they are very sheer, aren't they? So that's that one. Can't believe I forgot to press record. The only thing is I have to clean my brush off between each one. So I'm just wiping it off and then dabbing it in some alcohol. Right, so let's do L25. They're very runny gels. Very runny. So let's do this one. This one looks like a orangey red. Yeah, this one's like an orangey red. I've wanted these for so long. Like I said, I ordered them for AliExpress and waited 2 months before I asked for a refund. So I finally got them. So that's that one. It's like a orangey reddy kind of colour. I'm not sure. Right, we'll do one more, which is this purple one. And then I'll put some music on and let you watch, because obviously I've got to swatch all these again on the silver base. So I don't want it to be a stupid long video. Right, let's get this purple done. Ooh, this purple looks nice. I like the look of this. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm definitely going to give these 2 coats. I'll give them a second coat off camera. Oh, these are so transparent. Exactly what I wanted. Look how clear that is. Exactly what I wanted. Beautiful. I love them. Right, I'll stick some music on to swatch the rest of these. And then we will get the other ones swatched as well on the silver base. Right, whilst them other ones are curing in the lamp, I'm gonna open this silver. Oh, let's get this. Oh, look at that. It looks like mercury. Oh, look at that. Right, and I'm going to get silver put. Let's make sure this brush is extra clean. Wow, I'm going to get silver put on these, all these swatch sticks, and then we can go over it with the colours. It looks like mercury, guys. That's crazy stuff. I think I need to give it a stir, because it's been sat like that for a couple of weeks, so I'm going to give it a stir. Right, let's go again now. I've given it a little bit of a stir. It just looks like melted metal. Yeah, that's loads better. Look at it. This is going to be amazing on its own just to paint with. Wow, look at that. Look how that went on, guys. Wow. Right, I'm going to get all these swatch sticks painted with this silver. I'm dying to see what these look like over this silver base. So I'll get all these painted and then I'll come back and we'll swatch the colours over it. This silver base cures... Actually, I don't know if it air dries or cures. I'll have to let you know. Right, I left these for 2 or 3 minutes and they didn't seem to dry. And I've just stuck them in the lamp for 20-30 seconds and they're dry. So I'm assuming it cures in the lamp. Right, let's see what these colours look like over this silver. Oh, I've been dying to do this. Dying to see what these look like. So this is the yellow one. That's just one coat of the silver. Do you know, that silver, a teeny tiny bit goes such a long way. It just goes forever. Right, anyway, let's get these colours on. I have been told you're going to probably need 2 coats of the colour on some of them. But we'll see. Yeah, that's definitely going to need 2 coats. So that's the first yellow one. Supposed to give it like a metallic chrome look, and it does, doesn't it? Look at that. Right, I'll do one more with you, and just like the other colours, I'll stick some music on and let you watch. Let you watch me swatch. Right, next one. This one's an orangey coloured one. I love them already. I'm going to have so much fun with these. Look at that. I'm definitely going to give them 2 coats of the colour. Wow, it's crazy. Who comes up with these ideas? With a silver chrome base, with a jelly colour over the top. I love it. Right, let's do this one. That's got a hair in it. Did I get it? Pink ones. Wow. Yeah, this is going to need 2 coats, this one definitely. Maybe even 3 coats. Because that's very sheer, that one. Looks like a really pale lilac at the minute, doesn't it? Look at that effect, look at that. Just looks like a lilac chrome powder, doesn't it? I love them. Right, I'll stick some music on. Let you watch me swatch the rest of these. Right guys, that's them all done. I absolutely love these. So that's the jelly on the right and that's the metallic on the left. They've all had 2 coats. I just think they look so much better with 2 coats. Look at that lavender lilac. Oh, so smart, aren't they? Like, them 2 are the same colour. Jelly and metallic. Same colour, same colour. And look at the different effects you get. I'm loving that lilac. That's beautiful. So that's the first 3 colours. Stick them there. And then the next 2 colours are these. 3 colours, sorry. So that's the next 3 colours. Again, look at that purple in the metallic and the jelly. The jellies are real jellies. They're not cloudy. They are real jellies. I mean, look. Oh, look at that. Pale, pale pink. These are beautiful. I love them. I love them. So that's them. And then the next 3 colours are these. Look at that green and blue, guys. Ooh, look at that blue. Wow. Look at that blue as a jelly. That's beautiful. And the green. They're proper jellies, aren't they? Wow. Look at them. I love them. I'm so impressed. I love them all. I'm so impressed. And then look at the pink ones. Ooh. So there's like a pink and then that one's more of a red. Oh my gosh. I love them. That black one. That's just 1 coat of the black actually. I didn't give the black 2 coats because it's quite a strong colour, that one. I absolutely love all of these. I'm not going to attempt to pick them all up in one go like I normally do. But I absolutely love them. I think that purple, that blue and that pink are my favourite. That purple there, the top pink on that one and that blue are my favourite colours. Let me try and show you them together. Them 3. Look at them. Ooh, I love them. I'm going to have so much fun with these guys. I'll leave the link in my description box for these because they were really, really cheap. There's 12 colours and you have to buy the metallic base separate. Oh, I can't think off the top of my head how much they were. I'm going to say around a tenner, maybe a tenner. And that was £2 something, so maybe 12 quid for all of them. It really wasn't a lot of money at all. So I'll leave the link in my description box. You need these in your collection, you really do. I'm absolutely loving them. I'm so impressed. As jellies and as metallics, I love them. So many colours. Woohoo! Anyway guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any videos. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.